Welcome back to another update from the Spotify Camp Nou. Barcelona's historic stadium transforming into one of the most advanced football venues in the world. Every week brings visible progress, and today we'll walk you through the latest developments inside and around the stadium. From the growing stands to the futuristic roof and the new access zones, the vision of the new Camp Nou is becoming reality. From above, you can clearly see the modern, open design taking form. A perfect balance between size, comfort, and visibility. At the north goal end, major progress can be seen on the third-tier structure. The cantilevered concrete slabs are now fully assembled, forming the new upper section that completes the curve behind the goal. This area is one of the most advanced zones of the project, showing how the final shape of the stands will look once the entire ring is closed. It's also where teams are preparing to link the roof supports that will extend over this section in the coming weeks. The entire site is alive with motion. Machines roaring, cranes swinging, and workers moving in perfect coordination. The transformation continues at full pace, reshaping the legendary structure into a new generation stadium designed for both comfort and spectacle. This week, the main focus has been on the labyrinth area, where teams have been pouring fresh concrete for new foundations and inner walls. The sound of drills and heavy pumps fills the air, echoing the rhythm of progress. Workers guide long pipes, smooth the surfaces, and prepare new sections that will soon support seating areas and corridors. Each pour adds strength and height to the evolving framework, a visible sign of how fast the project is advancing. From above, the view is breathtaking. You can clearly see how the upper decks are taking shape and how the roof's steel structure continues to expand around the stadium. The geometric precision of the work is remarkable. A blend of engineering and artistry coming together to create something iconic. But the highlight of the week arrived as a real surprise. For the first time, the outer facade began to show its true colors. Workers installed the very first red and blue ceramic louvres, the llamas, that will soon cover the stadium's entire exterior. Seeing the iconic Barça colors appear for the first time was an emotional moment for everyone on site. It's a glimpse of what the final design will look like. Powerful, elegant, and full of pride. The atmosphere around the construction site feels more festive than ever. Cameras are rolling, workers are cheering, and even passers-by stop to capture the view. The installation of these panels marks a symbolic milestone, a shift from structural progress to visual transformation. Camp Nou is not just being rebuilt, it's being reborn piece by piece, color by color. At each corner of the stadium, the diamond-shaped structures are now clearly visible. These reinforced areas connect the roof and upper stands, forming a solid link between all sides of the arena. Built with heavy steel and concrete, they act as anchor points for the massive cantilever roof and give the new Camp Nou its balanced, geometric look. The new parking zones are being expanded to handle thousands of vehicles efficiently. Pathways and ramps for pedestrian entry are also taking form, improving how fans will move around the stadium during events. These exterior works are essential for ensuring smooth access on match days. And that wraps up today's update from the Spotify Camp Nou, a place where passion, hard work, and pride come together every single day. If you enjoyed following this progress, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share your thoughts in the comments below. There's still a lot more happening here, and we'll keep bringing you every new step of this amazing transformation. The rebirth of one of football's greatest stadiums.